This program is going to contrast two different space filling techniques. The first one here is simply fills a space with non-overlapping squares. So what is the problem? The problem is choose a size of a square and find a place to put it that does not overlap any other square. So it's pretty straightforward and pretty simple to solve. Now, it gets more complex when the figure that we are putting into the space is more complex than a simple square that gets a randomized color. In this case, we have faces, and the faces have a size and a color, but they also have inside of them two eyes of different sizes and different colors and a mouth of a different color. The reason I stress the different colors is that this is not simply taking one image and scaling it. This is working with a separate image every single time, which happens to look like the same face. And we are filling the space with that without any overlaps. All right, so what the computer has to do is to figure out how a smaller face could have the same proportions and spacing of facial items, the two eyes and the mouth, in the same place. What I'm talking about is isomorphism. In other words, it's going to have the same basic form, but it's going to have it in a different scale. It's going to have it in a different size of face. So the computer has to figure out where to put those eyes, how big to make them, and then of course the coloration comes in randomly. That's the easiest part of all. So face filling versus space filling. And I thank you for watching.